In front of me is HONOR Magic8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, this time to tap on Device Unlock and hit Screen Lock. Now it's time to tap on Select Unlock Method and pick any of those. Select 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password, and when you're ready, create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just click at the bottom left corner and redo it. When you're done, repeat it to confirm it and tap on Done at the bottom right corner. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!